My dear students, today we will discuss about the chapter of tangent normal. It is second chapter of application of derivative. It has a very vast application in future in engineering. So we know what is a tangent. Some important points first we have to look. Tangent means the line which touches the curve at a single point. Okay. Now look at here. I am taking a curve, and the name of the curve is y is equal to fx. Name of the curve is y is equal to fx. We know the coordinate of any point on the curve is xy. That is x in place of y. I am writing fx. So P is a point whose coordinate is xy. I am taking x fx because y is fx. Now take any point, take another point on this curve. Suppose x fx means what? This is x and this length is fx. Suppose I am taking another point q which is different from p. Now proceed a length h. Then it becomes x plus h, fx plus h. As it is x, fx. So it is x plus h, fx plus h. This length is h. This length is x. So total length x plus h. This length is fx. This length is fx. This length is fx plus h. Now consider a triangle, that is PQR. Now in this, it is a right angle triangle. This is the angle theta. It is also the angle theta. Now tan theta is what? Tan theta is QR by PR. Tan theta is QR. And what is QR? As we know, the total length QQ1 is fx plus h. Fx plus h. It is written fx plus h. And the length and the length PP1 is fx. So this length is fx plus h minus fx. This length, that is perpendicular in this triangle. Fx plus h minus fx. This is base. What is base? This is h. So this is h. So what is tan theta? That is fx plus h minus fx by h. Now slope of the chord PQ. This is slope of the chord PQ is tan theta. It is fx plus h minus fx. Now I am taking limit to both sides. Limit h tends to 0. Up this side means slope of chord PQ. Limit h tends to 0 up fx plus h minus fx by h. As we know, limit h tends to 0, fx plus h. As we know, limit h tends to 0, fx plus h minus fx by h is d by dx of fx, and which is written as f dash x. Now, when h tends to 0, what happens to chord PQ? Then slope of chord PQ becomes what? Look at here. Suppose this is a curve. This is curve. I am taking P. Here it is Q. This is the length h. Now suppose the point is coming to this point, means this h becomes smaller, new h becomes smaller than the bigger h. This is the bigger h, this is smaller h. When q tends to this point, q tends to p. When q tends to p, h tends to what? H tends to 0. When q tends to p, this is the triangle, first triangle. When q tends to this point, this is the triangle. That in first case this is h, in second case this is h. When q tends to p, this h becomes 0 and it becomes a small triangle, and this chord PQ gradually, when h tends to 0, this chord PQ becomes tangent at the point P. Okay, when h tends to 0, q tends to p, second means this is second PQ. Tangent tends to tangent at p. So when limit h tends to 0, slope of chord PQ becomes slope of tangent at p. Hence it is very clear that slope of tangent at P is equal to f dash x is equal to d by dx of fx. Okay. Now I am coming to some important points. Look at here. Now this is curve. The curve is called as y is equal to fx. This is a tangent at any point. Coordinate is x, y. Any point. Any point on the curve is xy. That is x fx. Similarly, slope of tangent at any point. At any point, slope. Slope means tan theta. Remember, slope means what? Tan theta, which you know in your class 11. Mt is equal to dy by dx. Okay. Now come to the second point. Number point 2. Now I am telling it again. Any point on the curve is xy. That is x fx or xy. Any slope of tangent at any point, slope of tangent is dy by dx. Now coming to the second point. Suppose this is curve. Okay. Suppose this is a particular point. Any point is xy. Suppose it is a point. It is x1, y1. Then what is the slope of the tangent at this point x1, y1? Simply find dy by dx and put x1 in place of x, y1 in place of y. I am giving one example. Look at here. Y is equal to x square plus 2. And the question is find slope of tangent at 0, 2. Find slope of tangent at 0, 2 and at 1, 2. You have to find two slopes. Okay. First we have to find at 0, 2. Then first y is equal to x square plus 2. It is given y is equal to what? Y is equal to x square plus 2. Then dy by dx is 2x. Now slope of tangent is what? In place of dy by dx, you have to put 0, 2. Means in place of x, you have to put 0. In place of y, you have to put 2. But it is here, there is no y. So simply you have to put 2 into this x, 0. It becomes 0. Suppose this is slope mt. This is slope, suppose 1. First slope. What is m2? It is also another slope. It is also called a slope of the tangent at the point 1, 2. You have to find dy by dx, which is already 2x, and you have to put 1, 2. Because 2 into 2x, 2 into 1, that is what? 2, which is the result is 2. Okay. But it is a very interesting thing. What I am writing here, look at here. When you will put the point 0, 2, when the point is on the curve, you have to put 0, you will get 0, you will get 2. When x0, y is 2. So the point 0, 2 is on the curve. But you are finding this slope at 1, 2. But you are not looking whether the point 1, 2 is on the curve or not. Now let us put here. If you will put 1, you will get what? Y. You will get y 3. So 1, 2 point is not on the curve. Nonsense. As when x is equal to 1, y is 3. So when you will find this thing, this is quite nonsense, because 1, 2 point is not on the curve. So there is no value to find. If the point is not there on the curve, then how you will find the slope of that tangent at that point? So slope of the point at the point 0, 2 is 0, while slope of the point at 1, 2 cannot be determined. Okay. Now coming another thing. Number 3. This is tangent. As you know, normal is perpendicular to tangent. Normal is perpendicular to tangent. Suppose this is point x1, y1, and slope of tangent, as you know, it is dy by dx. It is written as mt, and you have to put the value x1, y1. And we know equation of line is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And here instead of line I am writing tangent. So equation of tangent is what? Y minus y1 is equal to mt into x minus x1. We know when two lines are perpendicular, the slope product of their slope is minus 1. And here as tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, so slope of tangent into slope of normal is equal to minus 1. Two lines are parallel means we know their slopes are equal. So now when slope of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to mt into x minus x1. Now slope of normal is what? Y minus y1 is equal to mn into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 is equal to m. In place of mn, I can write minus 1 by mt, because mt into mn is minus 1. Then what is mn? Then clearly mn is equal to minus 1 by mt. Okay. So I am writing equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by mt into x minus x1. Now I am going to discuss about some fundamental things of coordinate geometry. Suppose this is a line. This is line. What is slope of this line? Suppose this line makes an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Then slope of this line is tan theta. But when I ask you what is slope of L, I am telling it is tan theta. When I will ask you what is slope of x axis, then theta becomes what? 0. Tan 0 will become what? 0. Slope of y axis. What is slope of y axis? This is slope of y axis. And slope of y axis is tan 90. It is undefined. Okay. Now, what is slope of y-axis? Y-axis means it makes 90 degree with x-axis, and slope is tan 90, which is undefined. Okay, we know slope of a line. Suppose x1, y1 is a point and x2, y2 is another point. And we know slope of this line PQ is tan theta, where theta is this angle made by the line in anti-clockwise direction. So tan theta is what? QR by PR. This is origin. This is origin, and this length is x1. x1, y1, x2, y2. This length is x1, this is y1. This length is x2, this length is y2. And what is QR? This is y2 minus y1. This length is y2 minus y1. It is y1. Total is y2. So this length is y2 minus 1. So this length is from this is x1, because here x1 y1. From this it is x2. Okay. Don't think from this. It is from origin. This to this is x1. From this origin to this point is x2. So this point is what? x2 minus x1. So this length is x2 minus x1. So tan theta is what? QR by PR, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. Now look at the next point, which you already know about these points in your class 11. If you know, then you can skip. Now we know there are 5 forms in a straight line. First, slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Look at here. M is slope. This is intercept, means it is y-intercept. And in an equation of a straight line, x and y must be there. I am putting it box. I am putting these x, y in boxes, because it is compulsory. In slope intercept form, slope means m, intercept means y-intercept c. So except x, y, m and c must be there. What is slope point form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Slope means m, point means x1, y1. So it is here, m is there, x1, y1 there. 2-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So look at here, it is not given. xy is already in equation, means xy must be there in a straight line. Okay. Now 2 points means we have to use x1, y1, x2, y2. Intercept form. Intercept form is what? X by a, y by b plus y by b is equal to 1. And x and y is there. So this is called x-intercept, this is called y-intercept. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. What is normal form? Normal form, what is normal form? Suppose this is a line, this is a perpendicular distance from origin to this line, the length is p, this length is p, and it makes an angle alpha, then this line, mind it, don't think any other line, this line is x cos alpha, this is cos alpha, this is alpha, which makes normal with x axis, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is perpendicular distance from origin, alpha is the angle made by the normal with x axis. Now next we have to discuss about the general equation of a straight line. What is general equation of a straight line? We know general equation of a straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But there is very important thing. A, b real number, but both cannot 0. That in mathematical language it is s square plus b square not equal to 0. So when in any interview, someone, if anyone will ask you what is the general equation of a straight line, if you will tell ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then they will not give you mark. If you will tell ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, condition a square plus b square not equal to 0, then it is correct, because a square plus b square is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, it becomes, it will never be a straight line. C is equal to 0, okay, which is not the equation. If x is not there, y is not there, how it becomes a equation? How? Look at that. Now L is general equation of straight line is x plus by plus c is equal to 0, and in this equation slope of the line L is minus a by b, x intercept is minus c by a, y intercept is minus c by b. And if you will ask, sir, how it comes, then I am telling you, if it is ax plus by, then you can write this as by is equal to minus ax minus c, y is equal to minus a by b minus c by minus a by b x minus c by b. Then look at here this is m, here it is m, because y is equal to mx plus c. This m is called slope. So slope is what? Minus a by b. Then tell me what about x intercept and y intercept? As we know, equation of a straight line in intercept form, it is x by a plus y by b is 1. So ax plus by is equal to minus c. So divide minus c, ax by minus c, by minus c is equal to 1, x by minus c by a, because in intercept form, look at here, x by a, so x by minus c by a, y by minus c by b, it is 1. So this is called x intercept, this is y intercept. So it is written as x intercept is what? Minus c by a, and y intercept is minus c by b. Next point, relation between lines. Suppose L1 is a line, L2 is a line, L3 is a line. L1 line a1x b1y c10, a2x b2y c20, a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0 is third line. Suppose two lines parallel. Two lines parallel means two lines parallel, I have told you slopes are equal. Then the slope of the first line is what? Its slope is what? m1. It is minus a1 by b1. Slope of this line m2. It is minus a2 by b2. When two lines parallel, minus a1 by b1 is equal to minus a2 by b2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. When two lines are perpendicular, we know product of their slope is minus 1. So when you multiply these two, these two and this one and with this one, minus minus becomes plus, a1 by b1 into a2 by b2 is equal to minus 1. Product means what? What will happen? a1 by b1 into a2 by b2 is equal to minus 1. So it is a1 a2 is equal to minus b1 b2. So a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Okay, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. When two lines coincident means, remember, one line is here, another line is overlapping to it. In that case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. What is the point of intersection of two? Suppose this is L1, this is L2. What is point of intersection? When you solve L1, L2, you will get the point of intersection. I am solving and you know it in class 9. The formula is besi besi, CA CA, ebe houchi. Means B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Besi besi. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. CA CA, C1 A2 minus C2 A1. ebe a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 houchi means this is the answer and you have to find it. Angle between two lines, similarly, if this is a line and this is a line, this is the angle theta, this is your L1 and this is your L2. Suppose this is L1, I am writing, and here it is L1, it is L1, it is also L2. Now angle between the two lines is tan theta is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2, or you can write tan inverse m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. You have to take the modulus. Very important thing is there. Look at here. Suppose this is a line, this is another line. If angle between them someone is telling you 45 degree, then can you not tell it angle between two lines is 135 degree? When it is 45, it is 135. When it is 60, it is 120. When it is 30, it is 150. So if I will tell you just the acute angle, there is no requirement to tell the another angle. So I am taking the modulus part. Means tan inverse positive, you will get the acute angle. Okay. So it is tan inverse a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Okay. Now I am going to another point. These things are very important for the fundamental things of the class 11, which I have taught you in 4 to 5 pages. You can take the photograph and you can write. When you will cover it, you will know the fundamental things. This is page 1, this is my page 2, okay, this is page 3, and this is my last page for the fundamental things of coordinate geometry, which you have already read in class 11. Now we will go to the problems. This is the last page. Now I am going to the problems. Okay. Look at some important problems of the chapter tangent normal. I have given you some problems like y is equal to find equation of tangent and normal of the curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 at x is equal to minus 1. Look at here. Solution. When x is equal to minus 1, you have to put here minus 1 square means 1, 2 into 1 means 2, 2 plus 3 means 5. So when x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 5. So the point x1 1 is minus 1 5. Now y is equal to 2x square. I am getting already the point minus 1 5. Y is equal to 2x square plus 3. Find dy by dx. It is 4x. At x1 y1. So what is x1 y1? x1 y1 means minus 1 5, which is at x1 y1, that is minus 1 5. We have to find slope of tangent. We have to find slope of tangent, that is empty. What is empty? Means dy by dx, putting the point minus 1 5. What is dy by dx? It is 4x. Putting minus 1 5. In place of x, you have to put minus 1. In place of y, there is no y, so no need to put y. It becomes minus 4. So empty is minus 4. Now equation of tangent is what? y minus y1 is equal to mt into x minus x1. That is y minus 5. Point is x1, y1. That is what? Minus 1, 5. Here is the point where we have to find the tangent and normal. Equation of tangent and normal. Y minus 5 is equal to mt. Mt means what? Minus 4 into x minus x1. X minus x1 means x plus 1. So the result is this. After simplification, it becomes 4x plus y minus 1, 0. What is the equation of normal? Y minus y1 is equal to mn into x minus x1. Y minus 5 is equal to mn means minus 1 by mt into x minus x1. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by mt. That is minus 1. What is mt? Tell me what is mt minus 4? It is minus 1 by minus 4. That is 1 by 4 into x minus x1 means x plus 1. So you get the equation of normal and also you get the equation of tangent. Now look at another problem. Y is equal to second bit. Y is equal to y x cube minus x at x is equal to 2. When x2 put here y6. So point is 2, 6. dy by dx is 3x square minus 1. Slope of tangent you have to find. Mt dy by dx 2, 6. It becomes in 3x square minus 1. Put x2 y6. It becomes 11. What is slope of normal? It is minus 1 by 11. What is equation of tangent? It is y minus y1 is equal to mt into x minus x1. Y minus y1. Y1 means what? 6. Y minus 6 is equal to mt means 11. Mt means 11 into x minus 2. So it is the equation of tangent. Now equation of normal is what? Y minus 6 is equal to equation of normal. Equation of normal is minus 1 by 11 into x minus 2. So 11 into y minus 6 is equal to minus into x minus 2. This is equation of normal. Okay. Now you can do some similar problems which I quit for you. Now look at this problem. Y x by a to the power 2 by 3 y by b to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1 at a cos q b sin q. Very interesting problem. Now differentiate, it becomes 2 by 3 x by a to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. It is minus 1 by 3 into derivative of x by a y by 1 by a. Some of you should remember that this is 1 by a, should not quit in an exam. It is 2 by 3 into y by b to the power minus 1 by 3 into derivative of y by b, that is 1 by b into dy by dx is 0. 0 in case of 0 you can write 0 into 2 by 3. Now cancelling 2 by 3, dy by dx becomes, you have to take to that side, it becomes minus 1 by a x by a to the power minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by b y by b to the power minus 1 by 3. It becomes minus b by a y by b to the power minus 1 by 3 divided by x by a, y by b to the power 1 by 3, means it is going to upward and it is going to denominator, it is going to numerator, x by a to the power 1 by 3. Now slope of tangent dy by dx, put a cos q b sin q in here, minus b by a y by b to the power 1 by 3 x by a to the power 1 by 3, it becomes minus b by a sin theta by cos theta. This is minus b by a sin theta by cos theta, and slope of normal is slope of tangent and slope of normal, they are product of their result is minus 1. So if mt is this, m1 is what? You have to take the positive sign, here negative, you have to take positive. B by a, you have to take a by b. Cos theta goes to numerator, sin theta go to denominator. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 means a cos q, b sin q theta. Now equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to mt into x minus x1. In place of y1 you have to put b sin q theta. In place of x1 you have to put a cos q theta. In place of mt you have to put what? Minus b by a sin theta by cos theta. So don't write it minus b by a tan theta, because don't think it is like that. Okay, minus b sin theta a cos theta, just simply take and divide it a cos theta here, b sin theta divide it here, it becomes y by b sin theta minus b sin q theta by b sin theta, minus is here x by a cos theta minus a cos q by a cos theta. It becomes, what will happen next? Look at here. It becomes y by b cos theta minus sin square theta minus x by a cos theta plus cos square theta. Taking this part to left side, it becomes an as it is minus, so when you will come to the left side, it becomes x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta. When this sin square theta go to right side, it becomes cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. It is equation of tangent. Similarly, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to mn into x minus x1. In place of mn, you have to put a cos theta by b sin theta, and in that case you have to multiply y into b sin theta minus b square sin 4 theta x into a cos theta minus a square cos 4 theta. Now all take them one side, it becomes x a cos theta into x minus b sin theta into y minus a square cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta is equal to 0. A square cos 4 theta minus sin 4 a square minus b square, it is a plus b into a minus b cos square theta plus sin square theta, it becomes cos 2 theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so it becomes a cos theta into x minus b sin theta into y minus a square cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Okay, on my next video I will tell you about the problem from number 2 to 13, number 2 to onwards. And I will do all problems in very simple method. Okay.